I am super excited about Own Your 2024. I have many new prompts, many new ideas to help you successfully let go of 2023 and then come into 2024, as my Jamaican friend says, a new year, a new me, right? A new life. So we know it's not a whole new life, but what I'm really excited about is helping you during these 6 hours. It's 6 hours on Zoom or 6 hours in person. Really help you ignite a vision for what you want to do moving forward. I want to help guide you in releasing any regrets or just old lingering behaviors or thoughts or ideas that no longer work for you. So come, explore, join me. It's such a great day. Well, actually 2 days because it's on Friday and Saturday. Zoom is on Friday, in person on Saturday. If you want to know more information, just message me. Okay, hope to see you soon. Bye.